What is up, all my chosen ones? Jazz Voice back now, guys. Today we got something special that's been requested by a lot of you guys, and I finally got the review, baby. Today we're talking about Shibvinci. Now, before I begin, guys, please smash that like button, smash the subscribe button, hit the notification bell if you're new to the channel, and leave a comment as well if you're feeling bullish. Now, folks, this is not financial advice. This video is sponsored by Shibvinci, and now we're going to get into this. What is Shibvinci? Shibvinci is a project that unites the two parts of crypto that have transcended into pop culture: meme coins and NFTs, aka the trendsetters, baby. For the first time, Shibvinci allows investors to hold a meme coin with a community treasury used to buy, own, and trade NFTs, sharing the profits with their holders. And from what I was told, guys, it was literally a 50-50 split of what the holders get from the profits traded by those NFTs. That's listen here now, all right? And my favorite thing about this community token driven society is that this as well is a governance token that gives holders voting rights. So that means the community makes the decisions on what projects to invest in, how long they should hold, when's a good idea to sell, or to take profits in Ethereum or more Shibvinci. Jumping over to the tokenomics, guys, Shibvinci was launched on February 15th, so it's not the newest of projects, but it's still new enough to give you a pretty sizable return, most likely on the upcoming bull run, just like many of these other projects are primed to do. Now, correct me if I'm wrong, but the initial supply is 1 quintillion tokens. Right above here, guys, is the contract address. This is a ERC20 token, so you can buy this on Uniswap and MetaMask and go galore, baby. 1% reflections, 3% for the treasury, 3% for marketing, and 3% for development, with a total percentage of 10% tax. And also recommendation to have your slippage on 13% or higher. Me personally, I use like 15, sometimes 20%, just because I'm a little impatient with the transaction confirmation, and I've had one too many failed transactions in my experience, so I ain't even trying to risk it. Now let's go look at this chart real quick, guys. So here we are, guys, at just over 5 weeks old of a project, 1,136 holders, previously sitting at well over, looked like a 4 million market cap, currently consolidating right over here at a $2.5 million market cap with a healthy $376,000 in liquidity. Shib has working utility, and it's not valued solely on its potential, especially with that $90,000 plus NFT portfolio that they got. Oh yeah, you heard that correctly, baby. Now let's touch on the roadmap for Shibvinci. So we've already completed phase 1, already completed phase 2. Keep in mind, the project's still roughly a month and a half old. And here we are now on phase 3, where things really start getting into place, okay? So right now what we have coming up is listing on portfolio trackers such as CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko, continued aggressive social media marketing campaign. I'm always a champion for marketing. If they're putting in the work for marketing, that means the devs are not playing. If they got the funds backed up for it and they're not afraid to use it and spread it out, most likely that means that these guys have a long-term game plan, because they are treating it just like any other professional business would. And also the first purchase of what will become one of the world's largest NFT collections, and purchasing a blue chip NFT, all here in phase 3. Then for phase 4 is a metaverse NFT gallery phase. Now what this is that the DAO decides on which plot we buy in the metaverse, either Sandbox or Decentraland, and also the community NFTs get displayed in their metaverse gallery. Now here we are, guys, on the DApp of the Shibvinci website, and we are looking at the Shibvinci gallery. So far it's a total of 38 NFTs and 29 total collections, and we're gonna go take a quick scroll so you guys can have an idea what the gallery is starting to look like. Keep in mind, guys, it's only a month and a half old. Now clearly these are some high quality NFTs. I mean, look at the, all right, this right here, personally, this right here, this incognito, this me right here. You see I'm wearing the black. I don't got the gold on, but you see how he looking, right? Listen here now, let's see what they got. So what I like about this is that they got artwork for any type of flavor that you're into in terms of NFTs. So if you're into the trend, the apes, they got their own variety of the apes right over here. If you're into some more type of humanistic art that you would like to kind of hang in your room, so to speak, they also got you with that. They also got you with some animated NFTs. The samurai is really solid. The gift looks nice. This looks really good. Let's go back to this one right here, man. Okay. I like this one. I like this one. And that's what we got so far. Now let's go look at their treasury. So the treasury balance, $14,204, the equivalent of about 4.2 in ETH, if I'm not mistaken. Don't laugh at me if my math seems to be off. All right, so the Shibvinci treasury. It means the treasury grows anytime Shibvinci tokens are bought or sold, increasing the size of the treasury for the community-governed NFT investments. 50%, like I was saying, of the profits from the treasury NFT investments are used to buy back Shibvinci token from the circulating supply, which means there will be less tokens available, therefore increasing the value of the tokens that you currently hold. The remaining 50% of the treasury profits are sent to the DApp wallet, where Shibvinci token holders can withdraw their NFT profits in ETH or reinvest that bad boy back into more Shibvinci. Coming soon in early Q2 is the reward payout, guys, so this is still in development. And as for buybacks and burns, that's also in development. It hasn't started just yet, but they already have it added to the DApp, which means you should be expecting that pretty soon. Now, to summarize, folks, Shibvinci is a project that just bridges the world of crypto and NFT markets, allowing the holders to see upside from NFT trading without having to do it. Also while holding a token which is deflationary and receiving passive income from token reflections. So here's an example, all right? So at 100K daily volume, the NFT treasury would grow by about $90,000 per month. That's with $100,000 daily volume. If you can see right here on the left, that's $533,000 of daily volume right now. At 250K daily volume, so half of this, the treasury would be growing by about $225,000 per month. And currently at this $500,000 daily volume mark, the treasury would grow by about $450,000 per month. And at a 1 million daily volume, that treasury would be growing by 900,000 big bones per month. Now, by investing in NFTs that grow in value, the Shibvinci portfolio could be worth as much as millions in a relatively short space of time, which again, will be intrinsically linked to its token value. And now we're gonna go do a quick look at the chart, currently sitting in consolidation after having that run for the all-time highs, trading sideways, zooming in to the 15-minute chart. And I don't know what happened with this little part right here, guys, but a little more than half from our all-time high. Not looking like a bad buy-in point if you ask me. Of course, guys, do your own research. The information for this project is right down below in the description, guys. So if you want to check that out, feel free to go ahead. It seems like a very interesting project. Definitely a unique concept for the NFT space that they're doing with this project. So I'm a fan of it. Okay, so with that being said, folks, I'm Jazz Royce. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will catch each and every one of you guys at the top.